Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best lunchbox for kids made from stainless steel, the Everusely Bento Box in Sage, with a 27-ounce or 0.8-liter capacity. This lunchbox is designed to bring convenience, durability, and style all into one compact container, perfect for busy parents and kids on the go. The Everusely Bento Box stands out because it's made from premium 304 stainless steel, a material known for its strength and resistance to rust, stains, and odors. This means the box is built to last, handling everyday adventures without cracking or deteriorating over time. It's a perfect solution if you want a lunchbox that stays fresh and clean without the hassle of plastic alternatives. One of the unique features of this bento box is its clever compartment design. It includes 3 sections, making it easy to pack a balanced meal with different foods without mixing them together. Plus, it comes with a leak-proof silicone condiment container that's ideal for sauces or dressings, keeping everything neat and mess-free. While the compartments aren't sealed with laser welding, which ensures food safety, it's important to note that liquids may flow between sections if you're packing something very saucy. Portability is another strong point here. The compact size fits easily into lunch bags or backpacks, making it a great companion for school, work, picnics, or road trips. Despite its sturdy stainless steel build, it remains lightweight enough to carry comfortably. It also comes with a silicone band that keeps the lid securely in place, so you don't have to worry about spills or leaks while carrying it around. Cleaning up is a breeze since this bento box is dishwasher safe. The materials and design make it a sustainable and versatile choice for daily use. It's also freezer safe, allowing you to prep meals in advance and store them without issue. In terms of dimensions, the box measures approximately 6.89 by 5.5 by 2.56 inches and weighs just under 10 ounces, striking a nice balance between capacity and portability. The set includes the bento box itself, the condiment container, the main lid, a lid for the sauce container, and the silicone band. Overall, the Everusely Bento Box offers an excellent combination of durability, functionality, and convenience. Whether you're packing school lunches, snacks, or meals for a day out, this stainless steel lunchbox can keep your food fresh and organized, all while being easy to clean and carry. That's all for today's review on the Everusely Bento Box, the best lunchbox for kids in stainless steel. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.